Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Friends, now I am here to give you some important news about Coforge. Quarter 2 results of Coforge was released today. Coforge, the formerly known as NIIT Technologies, is an Indian multinational information technology company based in Noida, India and New Jersey in USA. Coforge is a global IT organization leveraging artificial intelligence, automation, cloud, engineering, digital experience, and data enabling digital transformation. The Coforge stock has risen 80% in the past 6 months, but in the past 1 month, the stock has declined by 6.45% and it has fallen to the levels of 4,726. Guys, quarter 2 results was released at 7:42 hours. As soon as the market opened, the stock has fallen from the levels of 5,345 to 4,726. So guys, let's briefly look upon the results given by Coforge. Before going further, I would request you to watch my playlist of multi-bagger stocks, stock market for beginners and mutual funds. Also please follow us on Telegram channel. You can find important updates on daily basis. Also please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box. Please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Now let's come back to the topic. During the quarter 2 results, the board has declared second interim dividend of 13 rupees and it has kept the record date as November 8th. Guys, you need to have the shares in your Demat account before the X date, that is 3rd November, to get the benefit of the dividend. Coforge also issued the dividend earlier, that is on 9th August 2021, 13 rupees, 18th May 2021, 13 rupees. Now firstly let's see the standalone quarter 2 results of Coforge. You can see that the statement of audited financial results for the quarter ended September 30th, 2021. All the values shown here are in millions. The first column is quarter ended September 30, 2021. The second one is June quarter. And the third one is last year September quarter. Revenue from operations has been increased from 7,369 to 8,121 and it is also increased year on year from 6,084 to 8,121. But other income has decreased from 1,468 to 733 and it is increased from 48 to 733. Now by adding revenue from operations and other income, you will get the total income. Here you can see that it is increased by quarter on quarter 0.2% up from 8,837 to 8,854 and it has increased excellently by 44.4% on year on year basis from 6,132 to 8,854. If you see the expenditure, it has increased on quarter basis from 7,033 to 7,381 and it also increased on year basis from 5,594 to 7,381. And the total tax expense is 210 for September quarter, 87 for June quarter and 92 for last year's September quarter. Now by subtracting total expenditure and taxes, we will get the profit for the period. The profit has been decreased on quarter basis by 26.4%, but it has increased tremendously by 183% on yearly basis from 446 to 1263 million. Guys, it means that Coforge performance has improved from the last year, but still it has decreased from the previous quarter. Now let's see the consolidated financial results, which includes all the subsidiaries of Coforge. Here you can see that total revenue has improved by 6.72% on quarter basis, that is from 14,777 to 15,771 and it has improved excellently by 36.2% on year basis, that is from 11,576 to 15,771. If you see the expenditure 13,710, it is almost same compared to the previous quarter 13,145. But if you compare with the previous year's quarter, expense has been increased a lot. So guys, Coforge needs to cut their expenses so that they can get more and more profits. The total profit for the period, by cutting all the expenses and the total expenditure, has improved tremendously by 23% on quarter basis from 1312 to 1615, and excellently by 32% on year basis from 1222 to 1615. Guys, compared to the standalone quarter 2 results, Coforge has delivered excellent numbers in consolidated quarter 2 results. Both the profit and revenue growth has been excellent. Now let's look at the Coforge technical chart. The stock is presently trading at the level of 5056. It has taken support from 100-day moving average. If you see the MACD indicator, it is still bearish and the selling volumes are more. And if you see the RSI, it is still looking weak and it is presently at 40.56. So guys, consolidated quarter 2 results are very good. If you are a long term investor, it is an excellent opportunity to buy this stock. So let's see some levels and targets. The buy levels are 4800, 4600 and 4200. And the targets you can keep are 5500, 6000 and 6400. Guys, wait for the right opportunity and put the GTT orders at these buy levels and hold the stock for long term. Please subscribe to my channel guys. If you have any doubts, please write in the commentary box. A small disclaimer friends, the levels, targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decision. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.